Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can find UFC on StrymTV. In order to do so, here we are at StrymTV.com. And what is StrymTV all about? Well, it's a powerful M3U playlist player for iOS. You can download it on the App Store. So that's the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need to be using iOS, and then you can download StrymTV. Then from there, with Strym, you gain access to a variety of options. And if you have subscriptions to various platforms, then you can access your subscriptions here. Let's find out about UFC. In order to do that, let's check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension that allows you to ask questions of some of the top AI models available and get the answers you're looking for. Going to go ahead and put that in there, and while that's filling up, this really has to do with having the right subscription to the UFC stream feed that you're looking for. So if that's on ESPN, or if that's on CBS Sports, or it's on Netflix or anything like that, then you'll have to see whether or not that is available to integrate with your StrymTV. But if we take a look here, according to Cider, we have some basic information we might want to consider. We can check whether StrymTV carries the UFC in your location. In many regions, major rights go to ESPN, ESPN Plus, etc. So if you have ESPN, there's a good chance you're going to get UFC through that. Create an account on StrymTV, choose the plan that includes live sports or the UFC package, enter payment details, install or access the app, find the UFC event or channel, open the app or the website, go to the UFC event that you're looking for, and see if that integrates with StrymTV. So it really depends on where it is that you want to watch the UFC match and whether or not that integrates with Strym. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'll be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the referral link, you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial is highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.